I'm gonna turn this around so I can see what I'm actually videotaping. Yeah. Found Elvis.
There's Elvis. There's nothing but a hound dog.
The camera is on, yeah.
Now that.
Yeah.
Look at the size tires he got on the back of that motor. He ain't screwing around, this boy.
Hell no.
Yeah. All right.
Forward, Grub.
You can have that one. I'll take
I was
that
gonna say I want the blue, the dark blue one.
No,
Yeah.
no.
All right.
I'll take the green Challenger.
Oh, I didn't even see that.
No. Not there. There.
Ah.
I knew which one he meant.
Dog.
Nova.
Oh, I guess right here. People were a lot skinnier back in the day, huh?
Yeah.
Chevy 6-cylinder.
Yeah.
I'll call Big Bird right here.
Okay, you can have big.
There's that one we saw in Newstead. This guy. Look at
I've
this
seen this
fucking.
car before, yeah.
Yeah.
Take this.
5-touch fuel injection.
I was gonna say, I thought these were killed in there quick.
Right?
Covered in coolant on that thing.
Hey! I was looking for you. How you doing? That's for my YouTube. I'm getting some videos. Oh yeah.
I can see you on TV pretty soon, huh?
Hey, as long as they pay me, hell yeah. Haven't seen the bike in a while. There's his little buddy. Woo. Big old diesel. Oh yeah. I'm making money off of you, bitches.
Yeah, you're all kind of, like I said, everything on there is just wet in the garage. You know what I mean?
One.
No, that
Oh
one.
shit.
Look at that thing. That's because I didn't paint it.
Is that why? Well, get over there and paint mine. It's a lot of body work, too.
No.
Just paint, motherfucker. You ain't getting
Just
shit.
paint. That's all I do. I'll put
Look
the
at
paint
that-
down,
look at that old
pop it up,
Buick,
but
man.
I'm not doing body work.
I love station wagons.
Fucking right. Hey, for sale. There
Yeah.
you go. Everything's for sale.
That's this thing like 409.
Yeah, see, that's what my truck should look like.
Oh shit.
Except for the wheels. I don't like the wheels.
Oh fuck yeah. The Ranger.
Named Ranger.
Hell yeah. I wish my Ranger could look as nice. seen one of them in forever,
Me neither.
man. Holy
Them came out,
shit.
them were the shit.
I remember everybody wanted one too.
Yep.
Hell yeah.
I still want one.
I do too. I'd take one.
This little truck. Here, Mustang.
Oh, now I'm not allowed to talk about the Mustang. Every time I do, somebody goes crazy because I made a joke about a Mustang.
You
now.
didn't make the joke, I did. Little truck right there. I'm calling out the Mustangs.
That one video I made, I'm like, oh, Mustang's so cool. My pussy's so wet. Like, oh my God, you're just jealous. I'm like, yeah, I want a Mustang too. Of course I. You're welcome, Mr. Scott. That's about how dangerous they are.
Big Daddy.
Crazy elephant. Hell yeah.